If you want to search by image on Samsung Galaxy A37, then in that case we can use circle to search feature. So let me go to the Google app as an example. If I want to know more about something that I can see, if I want to use something as a reference, the image as a reference, then I can activate circle to search. In the case of gestures, you want to press and hold your finger on the navigation bar. In the case of 3 buttons navigation, you want to press and hold your finger on the home button. Then you should be able to either tap on the subject in order to start searching in Google, or you can just select the area or draw a shape around that area, something like that, for example. And then we have the reference selected. You can still adjust it by grabbing by these corners if needed. And then you can get Google search results with, for example, some visual matches with articles, maybe there's an explanation that depends on the image and the reference itself. And of course, you don't really have to open like an article or something, while you can use it in various different apps like the Google app or the browser, and so on and so forth. You can also use it, for example, in Gallery. So if you have a picture that you want to use to search in Google, you can actually activate circle to search as well in here, and then you can select what you are looking for. And then of course you should be able to get the information and results. And that is pretty much it. And if you're looking for more guides for this phone, then be sure to check out my channel, leave a like and subscribe.